Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Jack London State Historic Park and Take 5 with Jack, our nature and wellness video series. I'm Christina, and today we're in a beautiful part of the oak woodlands near Jack London's grain silos, the first concrete block silos to be built in California. And today, once again, we will be exploring our connection to nature. For millions of years, we have evolved and adapted to life in a natural world. As a result, humans have a deeply embedded need and desire for natural beauty. In fact, research from certain studies showed that when people were shown images of natural scenes versus urbanized scenes, they demonstrated an increase in more positive feelings like friendliness and joy. And they also experienced a reduction in negative feelings like fear and sadness. Additionally, patients recovering from surgery develop fewer complications, need less pain medications, and leave the hospital sooner if their window looks out onto trees rather than, say, a wall. And office workers with views of nature report fewer ailments, more job satisfaction, less frustration, and are generally happier than workers with no visual access to nature. And teachers have long reported calmer students with a better ability to focus when there was exposure to nature both in and outside the classroom. Bottom line is, nature is vital for our health. So our tip for this week, commit yourself to a daily dose of vitamin N. And we have a fun activity to help you do that. Over the last 7 episodes, we've been working with different tips and activities that have pulled on your sensory awareness and asked you to physically tune into your surroundings. And today's activity brings all of that together in what I like to call your 5-day mindfulness map. So, choose one place in nature that you know you'll be able to visit every day for 5 consecutive days. The time of day can vary. Commit to a minimum of 15 minutes for a sitting session in your special spot. You'll need a piece of paper or a page in your journal where you're going to create your mindfulness map. So to start, get yourself comfortably seated in your spot. Close your eyes and do 3 rounds of the 2-to-1 breathing technique that we demonstrated in episode 1. Once you're done with that, let it settle for about 30 seconds before you begin your map. For the map, you're going to draw a circle in the very center to represent yourself. And then simply begin observing the natural world around you through sight, sound, and even touch. And as you notice each new thing, sight, sound, you're going to place it on your map as it occurs in the world around you. For instance, did that bird sound come from behind you, from the left, from the right, and so on? You can simply name each thing or draw pictures of what you notice. It's up to you. Make this map your personal journey. And remember, you're going to be building it up over the course of 5 days. Now, I suggest that with each new day, you use a different color so that you can begin to notice how your perception grows as the days go by. You may be surprised at what you begin to take notice of. Make this a fun and enjoyable part of your day, and please let us know how it goes for you in the comments. And as always, if you like our video series, please like and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you next week when we begin to dig a little deeper into our relationship with nature. Thank you everyone for joining us, and take care.